This is a training video for LAMP, for the LAMP Words for Life application. So this is what LAMP looks like. This is the main home screen. It's always going to look like this. And so just some different things to know. If you want to change your vocabulary, you would go here, this vocab button, choose new vocab. And there's some different ones. If they have the yellow lock, that means they can't be changed. So one hit just has these 84 pictures, and that's it. It won't open up to anything else. And so,
Like.
all right. And so,
I like it.
if I want to make it say everything, then I would just click up here, clear there. Let's go back one word. All right, let's change it. So if you have somebody that's starting out with it, you might try that first. This is transition, which will add more buttons. So you'll see that when I go to I, it'll take me to a second page. So I need 2 hits now to make that. Same with like. And these buttons are always going to be in the same place because the premise is to have a motor pattern. Now if I change it again to full, then you'll see that it has even more words. So if I, and we have all of our grammar markers, things like that. And then like is going to have its grammar markers, like, likes, liking, liked.
Like.
It. And so the thing to think about whenever you're using something like this is that you're not always going to find words that you think are going to be under something, but you can usually find foods under eat. And here's an important distinction as well, is that if you see something on the second page that is capitalized, that means it's going to open to another page. If it's lowercase, then it means it's going to activate that button and put it up here. So like when I hit eat, it's going to put it up there. If I went back, I went here to Asian, it's going to open another page. So it's just one way. I can go back to clear. If I want to bring up a keyboard, there's the spell or number button here. And that'll take me to a keyboard. If I want to use Word Finder, it's also here. And let's say I want to use the word dress. Then it's going to show me the pathway. So it's under where? Dress. Dress. And that's a really good tool to use if you can't find a word immediately or just when you're practicing. Because the thing is that you need to know this device better than your student knows it. And that takes practice. If you want to do any kind of editing, which I only suggest to add words, and that's it, then you would have to have a new file. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So you can go to edit, and we'll just go ahead and get rid of mine, right? Delete. Go over here to menu, and we'll say copy of vocab, and I want to copy full. We'll just call it, full student, and save it. So now that we're done, we can open that up. And now I can make edits. So let's say I want to add, we'll go back over to where. Let's say I want to add something there, right? I don't want to mess with any of the buttons that are already there. I just want to add something there. I'm going to go to menu. I'm going to go to edit page. And you should always do this when you're on the page where you want to add the icon. Don't do it before, because then it will edit that page that you're on. It won't let you navigate through. So I go to this blank. And what I'm looking for is probably already something, let's just say skirt, or actually it doesn't work that way. I'm going to go down here and find clothing. And there's my word, skirt. And now it's there. I'm done.
Skirt.
Now it's there. Now if you wanted to add a word that you don't already have, or that's not going to be there, you're going to edit page, I'm going to add something there, and let's create a new button. We'll call it disco shoes. And you can either take a picture of what you want, or you can look and go save, but we need a button. So actually what I want to do is go back, edit this button, and I want to select an image from MinSpeak, and I'll probably just use clothing again, and we'll go accessories, which might be shoes. Nope, not there. We'll go clothing again, and let's just say I'm going to use boot, whatever.
Disco shoes.
And there we go. So if you want to lock this menu, you can go into the settings and choose use menu passcode so that your kid cannot change it. And so I might just put 121212. Use menu passcode. Done. And now if a kid tries to edit anything, they gotta know your password. So that's your quick overview for this program.